We've got two key student debt relief programs set to expire at the end of the month, including the Fresh Start program and the on-ramp to repayment. Now, this means that borrowers who are struggling to make payments may need to take action now. Here to discuss, we've got Leslie Tayne, who is the financial attorney and author of the book Life and Debt. Leslie, great to have you back on the program here with us. Okay, so some of these key timelines here set to expire here. Where should people be apt to take action at this juncture, especially thinking about the Fresh Start federal loan program?
To take advantage of the Fresh Start loan program, you would need to act immediately. It's set to expire September 30th. That means that if you have a defaulted federal student loan and you would like to be a part of this program, you need to act quickly and sign up for that program.
And so with that in mind, as we're taking a look at what this would mean, what type of alleviation would this provide to anybody who opts into the program?
If you opt into this program, your loans can immediately come out of default status. They will update the information on the credit report to current, and they will allow you to continue borrowing. Defaulted student loan borrowers cannot continue to borrow. So if you're still in school and you need loans, you'll be barred from doing that if you don't get your loans out of the default status.
Why September 30th? Why is it ending then?
It's the time frame. It's been ongoing since the COVID-19 pandemic, and there is an endpoint. It's the belief that at this point in time that collection efforts are going to start resuming and that there are a number of programs available for federal student loan borrowers. So now's the time to act to avoid these issues.
Should student loan holders right now, should they be banking on further debt cancellation, or is there something else that they should be doing right now to take action, including the enrollment that we were talking about?
The enrollment in this program is for federal student loan borrowers who have defaulted in the past or are in default status. Those who are not in default status, it's not a great strategy to rely on future forgiveness programs. It's always advisable to be proactive with your federal student loans or your private student loans. If you're struggling, reach out to your lender or the servicer and ask what options are available to you at this time.
And then when we think about the CFPB and some of the actions that they're taking on credit reporting, how does that all play into these broader programs that are being put forward from Fresh Start, and hoping that it also does impact more positively credit scores down the line as well?
Absolutely. The goal really is to help borrowers who have struggled and have defaulted federal student loans, not only to get them back into repayment, but also to update the information on the credit reports so that the credit score can come up and that individual borrower can start to have more opportunities. Those with better credit have better opportunities to borrow, refinance, or even have different types of job opportunities. So the goal overall is to help borrowers and debtors to have better credit scores, and this is one of those such programs.
Leslie, sound information and context as always. Leslie Tayne, who is the financial attorney and author of Life and Debt. Good to see you, Leslie. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.